Abusianfo bechiamu ni na ese mpempi no ya de bia me one word bi saa brofo ne nyoma na omoye no men try bi de bia ene ne asama ya meka ade ne ba behwe no a ye besan so discuss afa ho no is really important abusianfo mama yenkonkwohwe video no after that no na ina eden ya che ya adwene ewo ho nti yenhwe video no.
Please say yes. Please say yes. Please say yes.
Do that right. Oh yeah. For you?
Please say yes.
Oh my goodness, so big.
Please say yes.
Yeah, how many years? 6 years.
Abusianfo yi ebisa two questions ena me bisa. The first question ene say so oba yen culture mu a oba wo ho kwan say o propose to be man na eno first question. First question no me kan yen ne culture mu yen culture mu ena me kan aprofo no culture ne mu yetoso mienu bema wo ho kwan say utumi ne obi ba etena so many years na wonye wadwene say obewa no mpempi no ya kasa ya na nipa bi enye den enti ase but so disgusting enti na ya na if any say those days ni e ma me no tuyefo say wo ye oba wasa wotena ho na bema be den ebe ware no do kofi enu yen culture no but and oflate in the real area ne si bi pentemu for the coming of Yesu no ayehu when it comes to these things I come asem na ya na ayehu pa ohwe de ya na ebimu eya but na anu odin oni get na tena for 6 good years ombo na adwene po se obewa no 6 good years ombo na adwene po se obewa no and again afi ahye no so ama that minute no no kra kwakoto ne ka waba say afi de onu momu the opposite. Abusianfo, I hope we are learning something from this. Me say we oba na wuti obi so no nwa that's a mechanic nkofo bofu but a fact ne dem mu nyoma ni na de ne boy den no de so mu kra na yewo because wo no ene ma good dem na wato tuaka ba wo de ontua wo ka na wo da so te no so na omo it is a very terrible 6 good years ontumi nka nche say one ne nye baby pain and it's so horrible. We're wasting the time. We're wasting the sika. So nipa na ne teno mpe na endi ne sika. In time pa akacha ne se we ne nje no nko. Dan so be wasting nipa ne time. Na that minute no akacha se mpe no. This thing needs to stop. This nonsense must stop. This nonsense must stop. We bokum na lady no mumu and a sponsor guy no and at the end no ready all your channel. I didn't heard all your channel until Busianfo and secondly so side over say careful. What's a bro for no much on once or no what the na nipa na ntia kwa onke ba wo bibini camera se good so e twa wo no me sisa nipa no nim ni ye a ye ne dem ko de wantia se a pain e wonkwa but ebe outdoors anu a ewiase na ehwew and internet never forgives. Internet will never forget. I was say one day I do 2 trim. A dear bakwa I was away with the 2 trim no. Internet never forgives. So I video we Abeka internet so forever. One na my den sabe tenten so. Nti wo mpen ho asema you do it indoor kode. Dan so baba bonten na oba beje ni mu ase. Nti abusiafo me de ba no si. Me de ba no si. Yes hope say the make out me yard when me yard so afa cheme. We new to channel na hit the subscribe button no like a video no na share mo bi nso. Amunhwe mu hiye me nua be ma sa wo mpen na don't waste his time. Wo mpen na don't waste time. Me assume you come on in. Ever since we share you.